Hello everyone, welcome to the day 5 of the SMCS Quiz Fest. So this is the Sai Tech quiz by Rishabh, Drohadeep and Abhishek. So here was the prelims. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe this channel. And here we go. Uh, this was the prelims, a total of 20 questions. Few were star mark question to break the tie. So the question one. So question one, uh, it talks about a Nobel laureate. So this he was deprived of the honor he deserved in his country because he was from a minority group, and hence the country had evicted the people with such faith from being a part of their nation. So when he received the Nobel Prize, he came all the way to Kolkata to meet Professor Ganguly, who had instilled within him a love for his subject and handled him with him his award, saying, "It's not my award, it's yours." So who is this? Which Nobel laureate who handed over his award to Professor Ganguly, saying, "It's not my award, it's yours"? So this is Professor Abdus Salam, a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1979. He belonged to Ahmadi sector, which according to them are not true Pakistanis. So moving on to question number 2, which financial institution is this? It is interpretation. It is an interpretation that the logo represent a building surrounded by four boundary walls, leaving space on each side. It has a meaning that the bank will help people in building their dream house, focusing completely on the housing sector. So, which financial institution is this? So, this is HDFC Bank. You can see the logo. Moving on to question number 3, fill in the blanks and give me the funda. Thank you, Dash, for everything. I have not used much, but bitched about you a lot just to make conversation and look cool. You were really helpful, though at times. I will miss you. 1995 to 2021. So, what is being talked about? So, from 1995 to 2021. So this is Microsoft to stop Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer being the topic. Moving on to the next question. So name the session fly. This X named after X, and it is X fly. Researchers have discovered a new species to fly of fly that has marking similar to a character. So take a keen look and tell me simply tell me X fly. So named after whom? The color is a giveaway hint. So this is basically the Deadpool fly. Moving on to the next question. So it is a number n such that the first digit of n counts how many numbers are in n. The second digit counts how many ones are in n, and so on. If n is a 10 digit number, then there is only one possible combination of digit. Also, the sum of digit is equal to the total number of digit in the number. What are we talking about, or what are such numbers called? Though a confusing one, but it has a very specific name, which is a generic name, though you can think as a generic word as well. So this is basically autobiographical number. For example, 1210. So there are total of 1 zeros, so that's the first digit. So there are total 2 ones, so that's the second digit. There are total zero 4, so fourth digit is 0, and there is only 1 2, that's the third digit. So autobiographical numbers. Moving on to question number 6. In this question we are talking in 1990s and earlier, the Indian film industry usually depended upon informal means of financing the films. What rule change uh, did Sushma Swaraj, the Information and Broadcasting Minister in the NDA government, bring about in 2000, which allowed films to get rid of their dependence on the informal and shady sources of the capital? As simple as that. So, what particular rule brought by Sushma Swaraj has get had get rid of their dependence on the informal and shady sources of capital? So this is she gave the industry status to Bollywood industry. Moving on to question number 7. So in a newspaper production house, newspapers are printed at extremely high speed, 50 to 90,000 copies an hour, and there is no way to physically check all the pages. So this paper use some specific marking during printing to help ensure that the print is aligned properly. They use this as a proxy of color quality. This marking may came in different shape. What are we talking about? So about newspaper, some color items, some specific marking during printing to help ensure that the print is aligned properly. So these are basically the CMYK dots, also known as registration mark. So C means blue, M means magenta pink, Y is yellow, K is black. Moving on to question number 8. So shown here is the apparatus of a particular experiment. So the experiment to demonstrate the powerful atmospheric pressure where 8 hoses harnessed on each side of two big hemisphere vacuum sealed together couldn't move them apart. So create a mind image of the experiment and tell me which two company logo was inspired thus. This is Medaberg experiment, and this is by Lewis and Fevicol. Moving on to the question number 9. So these are some list: Puma, Panther, Leopard, Lion, etc. What is this a list of? What is this a list of? We had Catalina as well, Mosaic, High Sierra, Yosemite, Mountain Lion, etc. So these are basically the different versions of Mac OS, list of Mac OS versions. We want to do question number BA School Kit and Connect. So there are few person in this image. BA School Kit and Connect. Don't go too far, just name them and then find a connect. So these are the SI units named after them: Kelvin, Ampere, Newton, Pascal and Tesla. Moving on to question number 11. What and where did we see this recently? What and where did we see this recently? So if you zoom it, you can see uh, you can see red 4 in the background. So these are basically an anti-drone system developed by the DRDO for the protection of Red Fort on 15 August of this year. So anti-drone system developed by DRDO for the protection of Red Fort on 15 August this year. Moving on to question number 12. So the evolutionary hierarchy of what, whose first ever drawing was created by Da Vinci. So these are clarifier, loft machine, hobby horse, velocipede, penny farthing. So penny farthing is a giveaway hint, being the most famous one as we know it. These are basically the bicycle. Moving on to the next question, question number 13. After this, we will be left with the last 7 questions. So, in this question, we are looking for a person who bought his first stock at the 11 years of age, and he also owns 5.6% of the Apple stock. Finally ditched his flip phone for an iPhone 11 gifted to him. So, he ditched his flip phone for an iPhone 11 gifted to him. So there are some business talks in the second and the third para. So simply tell me who first who bought his first stock at the age of 11. So this is Warren Buffett. Moving on to question number 14. This is one image, a screenshot you can say. Significance of this page. What is the significance of this page? So it reads World Wide Web. The World Wide Web W3 is a wide area hypermedia information retrieval initiative aiming to give universal access to the large universe of documents. So after reading the first line only, we can see that this is something introductory. So the answer is this is the first web page on the www on 6th August 1991. So answer was there in the question as well. If you see it properly, if you think it properly. So next question, simply connect SolarCity, Zip2, PayPal, OpenAI, the Boring Company. So you have to connect this all to a person. This is basically Elon Musk. He owns all them. He owns all of them. Moving on to the question number 16. So looking for a very specific, probably the most intelligent picture ever. I did the occasion. So this is the 5th Solvay conference. If I am not wrong, 17 out of all got Nobel Prize as well. Before or after this particular conference, a total of 17 out of the 20 all got Nobel Prize. Moving on to question number 17. So we are looking for a company or website which is Quizzes Paradise, as it says, and who owns it. So X is a businesswoman who was ranked 8th in Fortune's most powerful women entrepreneur list and one of the top 10 sexiest CEOs by Play Magazine. So Play Magazine says sexiest CEOs. So simply tell the company or website which is Quizzes Paradise and who. So this is SlideShare founded by Rashmi Sinha. Moving on to next question. Whose mugshot from 1977 when he was arrested for traffic violation? So whose mugshot from 1977? So timeline can give you a hint when he was arrested for traffic violation. So this is Bill Gates. Probably only happy person while having a mugshot. Moving on to question number 19. So this is a chemical structure of something. Despite being one of the most essential drug ever produced, it is the foremost cause of the acute liver failure and a drug overdose in the West. Simply tell, this is a chemical structure of what? Simple one, very essential drug. This is paracetamol. moving on to last question. So we are looking for a particular island, Caribbean island, and then this particular name is Spanish for rich port. So if you see or think something around the rich port, the answer is giveaway for that. So now X from Dash created something back in 2017 which absolutely broke the internet and is unbeaten till date. So give me the island, X and his creation. So what was the creation back in 2017 and the name of the island? So before moving to the answer, thank you for watching the full video. Uh, Wait for the result of this result of the prelims, and all the best for final those who will be qualifying, and the final will be streamed in a while as the final ends. So here's the answer. This is Puerto Rico, Luis Fonsi and Despacito. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you.